Before we go on, I want to be clear about a couple things. First, we will not tell you what to do with your money. We may teach about personal finance, but we believe that it's not our place to tell you how to spend your money. You know what's best for you. It's your life. So we're here to empower you to make your own decisions. We'll teach you how to uncover your own priorities and create a system that helps you make sure your saving and your spending aligns with those priorities. Bottom line is, we trust you. So long as you're being thoughtful and honest, you'll come to the right decisions for yourself. Here's the second thing. This is not a set it and forget it approach. There's a lot of financial apps out there that promise they'll automate everything for you so you don't even have to think about your money. But that doesn't work. We want you to be in the driver's seat and teach you how to be intentional with your money. Why would you want to be removed from the process? This is about making decisions about your life. So checking your budget consistently to make sure it aligns with your priorities is pretty important. So what does that look like? Every time new money hits your account, you're going to make a plan for those dollars. Every time you get ready to spend money, you're going to weigh that decision against your plan. And every time you overspend, you're going to adjust your plan and keep going. Because this method is not really about money. It's about creating the life you want.